Hi, welcome back to Module 12 on food politics. This week in the learning materials, we're going to cover just a little bit of information on the Farm Bill, the history of the Farm Bill, what's included in it, and then also some suggestions for improvement within that bill. Also included in the learning materials this week is some text on the politics of food and health, which specifically link up how politics are related to health and shape the health and well-being of the U.S. food system and of the population. So this week, you'll also, for your assignment, you'll have reflection essay number 4. There's a prompt as you get closer to the end of the module. I'll look forward to reading your essays. Remember, you're responsible for doing 4 out of 5 essays, or you can do them all, and I'll drop the lowest grade. So for those of you who submit an essay this week, I'll look forward to reading it, and good luck.